do.
Do you hear the waves? Can you feel the sun? Let's find treasure, splash and run. I've got my shades, my beachy shoes. Let's dance and sing with sandy moves. Let's dance and sing with sandy moves. Can you spot the hidden starfish in the video? Keep watching. Hey baby, let's go. Dig in the sand. Build it up with both your hands. Make it tall, don't let it fall. Let's cheer loud and have a ball. Can you clap your hands like this? 1, 2, 3, splash. Sure, your toes splash in the sea. Laugh and play with you and me. Seashell, sunshine, sky so blue. Beach day fun with Wiggadoo. See the crab go side to side. The turtle walks, he doesn't hide. Dolphin jumps and makes a splash. Starfish sparkles in a flash. Point to the starfish when you see it. Point to the starfish when you see it. Wiggle your toes, splash in the sea. Laugh and play with you and me. Seashell, sunshine, sky so blue. Beach day fun with Wiggadoo. Wait, who's jumping high and free? It's Dancy the dolphin. 1, 2, 3. Let's copy your moves. Spin, hop, splash. Sunscreen on and hat on tight. Stay cool and drink, feel just right. Under the umbrella, take a rest. Playing safe is always best. Point to your hat and say beach smart. Wiggle your toes, splash in the sea. Dancing here with you and me. Jump and twirl, the day is bright. Beachy fun from morning to night. Let's count down before we go. Shout with me. 5. Let's dive. 4. Wiggle more. Dance with me. 2. Sun and blue. Beach day's done. Did you find the starfish? Great job! Subscribe for more splashy fun. And next time, we'll open the secret seashell.